Hi, I want to show you how to configure the Trend Vision 1 Cloud Collector with Exabeam. First thing we want to do is make sure we meet some prerequisites. Let's get started. To create a Trend Micro account, we're going to do three things. We're going to create a custom user role, create an API key, and then create a shareable account. First thing I want to do is using Trend Vision 1 dashboard here with my administrator credentials, I'm going to go to the administration console, select user roles. Then I'm going to choose Add Role. I'm going to specify the role, Exabeam Cloud Collectors role, and give it a quick description. Next, I'm going to assign permissions to the custom role by selecting the Permissions tab. We're going to go to XDR Threat Investigation. We're going to select View Execution Profile, View Filter and Search, and Observed Attack Techniques. Then we'll click Save. Now what we're going to do is create an API key. We're going to go to Administration and choose API Keys. Add an API key. Choose our role. This is the role we created just a moment ago. Select an expiration time and click Add. Copy and save the API key here. We're going to need that later. Now let's connect to Exabeam and configure a shareable account. I'm going to select Cloud Collectors from the landing page. Then I'm going to go to the Accounts tab. And from here, I'm going to choose New Account. I'm going to choose Trend Micro from my list of vendors. I'm going to set up an account, name, choose my service endpoint. I can learn more about those from the documentation from Trend Micro. And then I'm going to copy and paste my API token that I created earlier and click Save. Now that I've set up the accounts with the API key, I'm going to configure the collector in Exabeam. Once again, I'm going to go to Cloud Collectors, and I'm going to choose New Collector. I'm going to find Trend Vision 1 and select that. Let's give it a name. Let's choose our data sources. So whichever you need. So for observed attack techniques, we need to choose our risk levels and choose our ingestion time for the workbench alerts. From this time, the collector starts actually pulling events, and if you actually leave it blank and don't provide a threshold, events are collected from the current time. Of course, if you want to select a threshold to include events to be ingested from the past, you select a date previous to the present date. There are some advanced and optional settings that you can define here if you want to. Let's test the connection. Successful. And now install. Hooray! We've successfully created a new collector for Trend Micro Vision 1.